Hello everyone, I am Nagavelli Prasad working in TSRR Center of Excellence Karimnagar as a zoology faculty. Today I am going to explain you the part of skeletal system which is a rib cage. My dear students, a rib cage is made up of three parts. The front, the ventral side, the flat bone which is called as sternum. Middle thorax is composed of a flat bone called as sternum, and there are 12 pairs of ribs which are articulated front sternum and back vertebral column thoracic vertebrae. Thoracic vertebrae, sternum, and they are attached with ribs known as rib cage. A rib cage is made up of ribs, sternum and thoracic vertebrae. Now thoracic vertebrae we have studied in vertebral column. Now let us discuss the bones present in ribs and sternum. First one, sternum. Just now I told you the flat bone on the mid-ventral line of the thorax. The flat bone which is located mid-ventral part of the thorax known as sternum. This one. So it consists of three parts. The superior part which is called as manubrium, and the middle part which we call as body, and inferior smaller part is known as xiphoid process. So this flat bone helps to articulate the ribs in a front side, and not only articulation of ribs but also attachment of abdominal muscles. Abdominal muscles also attached to the sternum. So this is regarding sternum. Then there are 12 pairs of ribs attached both sides, ventral side to the sternum and dorsal side to the thoracic vertebrae. So these are called as bicephalic because they are attached two sides, ventral side and dorsal side, so that they are called as bicephalic. And my dear students, I want to tell you the first 7 out of 12 pairs, first 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these are called as true ribs. Why? Because they are articulated backward, dorsally thoracic vertebrae and ventrally with the sternum. So that vertebrosternal ribs, these are called as vertebrosternal ribs. So these they show the bicephalic in condition, so that they are called as true ribs. And 8, 9, 10, so up to here 7 completed. 8, 9, 10, these are not directly connected to the sternum, but they are connected to the 7th rib. 7th rib, this one. So 8, 9, 10, these 3 ribs are connected to 7th rib, so that vertebrochondral ribs, these are called as vertebrochondral ribs, because they are connected to 7th rib with a hyaline cartilage. This is hyaline cartilage, not directly with the sternum. So 8, 9, 10, these 3 ribs are called as false ribs. And my dear students, last 2 pairs of ribs, 11th and 12th pair of ribs, are articulated with thoracic vertebrae. When coming to front, coming to ventral side, they do not connect to anything, just they leave out. So that type of ribs are known as floating ribs. 11th and 12th ribs are known as floating ribs. So 1 to 7 true ribs, because they are showing the bicephalic in condition. They are attached dorsally with thoracic vertebrae and ventrally with the sternum. And 8th, 9th, 10th attached to 7th rib, so that those are called as false ribs. And 11th and 12th, they are not attached to the sternum directly or not or indirectly. Then they are called as floating ribs. Now I will show the ribs how they are. So first I want to tell you sternum. This is sternum. So the front part, the superior part manubrium, and the mid part which is called as body up to here, and this part is called as xiphoid process. Now see the children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 ribs are directly attached to the sternum, so that these 7 ribs, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these 7 ribs directly attached to the sternum, so that they are called as true ribs. Then 8, 9, 10, 8th, 9th, 10 ribs are connected to 7th rib, so that false ribs. And see here 11 and 12, these two ribs are just floating. Articulated here backside with a dorsal side with a vertebral column, whereas these two are not attached to sternum or any other rib. So that these two are called as floating ribs. So this is regarding sternum and ribs. Thank you.